What's up guys, it's Sabrina with Minecraft by Sabrina. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to download fonts for CRICUT Design Space on your iOS Apple devices. I'll be using these 4 apps to install my font. So we'll use the Settings app, and that's to install the font profile. The App Store, we're going to download a font extractor. Both those should be default apps. In the App Store, we'll download the ANYFONT app, and if you don't already have, the CRICUT Design Space app. So let's take a look at the settings menu. Here you're going to go into General, and from General, you'll go ahead and click on the VPN Device Management tab. You have 2 different sections. There's downloaded profiles and configuration profiles. Downloaded profiles are fonts that are downloaded but they aren't installed, and then configuration profiles are those that are installed and ready to use. Now in the App Store, you need to hit search, and then from the search engine type any font. Now you can use several different apps. This is the one I like and find user friendly. So you're going to go ahead and click get, and that's going to begin to download automatically. Once it's downloaded, go ahead and click open to open the app. When you open the ANYFONT app, you'll see a list of all the fonts you've downloaded. If it's your first time using the app, then your list is going to be blank. To add a new font, then you're going to click the plus icon at the top of the screen. It's going to drop down a menu of all the available sources. Here I'm going to click the font, which is going to open up the thefont.com website. You can scroll through, use the filter options or the search engine, and narrow your results. Once you have the font you want, go ahead and click that font, and you can see a custom preview of it. If you type in the top, go ahead and select the size you want to view it in and hit submit, and it's going to show you the results. If you like what you see, then you can go ahead and click the download button on the side of the screen, and when it's done downloading, click OK. After it's downloaded, you'll go ahead and hit close to return back to the ANYFONT app, and you'll see on the side menu, if it has a check mark, then those are downloaded and installed, and if it does not have a check mark, then those are simply just downloaded. When you download a font, it downloads in a zipped compressed file. So you need to extract it. So that's what the ANYFONT app. So basically extracts those files so that your software can read it. So we're going to click on the font that we need to install. And then we're going to select the install button in the middle. And when you click install, it's going to ask you if you're going to allow this configuration change because it is making a change to your device settings. Go ahead and click allow. And then you're going to hit close on the profile downloaded pop-up. So it's telling you it is downloaded, but you need to go to your settings if you want to install it. Click close. And then you're going to go ahead and click done on the local host. So this again is just telling you, hey, on the last pop-up, it told you you needed to go to your settings. And this is just letting you know where exactly in your settings you need to go. So let's go ahead and go back to that settings menu. So here we are back in the settings menu, General, VPN, and Device Management. And you'll notice that now we have downloaded profiles and configured profiles. So to install the profile, we need to click on that item and then hit install at the top. Once you've hit install, it's going to ask you for your password. Go ahead and enter your password, and then click next on the consent to configure this profile. It's going to give you a warning. It's going to let you know this profile is not signed. Go ahead and say OK and install. And one more time, install profile. Now that your profile is installed, you can go ahead and click done at the top screen, and you'll see that your font list has now moved from the downloaded files to the configured files, meaning your font is ready for use. Now that the font is downloaded and installed, let me show you where to find it in the CRICUT Design Space app. So I'm going to start a new project and insert a text by clicking on the text icon. I'll type out my sample text and click done. Then I'm going to edit the font by clicking font name from the drop-down menu. And when it opens up the font menu, it's going to default to the CRICUT owned fonts. Because this is downloaded on our systems, we need to open up the systems tab in the middle. This is where you're going to see all your downloaded fonts. Now you can select the bookmark icon, and that'll save all of them as a bookmark in the bookmarks menu. And these are all your favorites where you can quickly find them. Go ahead and click on the text that you want to use. You can see the font preview, and if you like it, click done to apply. And there you go. That's how you use and find your fonts on CRICUT Design Space. Well, crafters, that is all I have for you today. If you like this video and if it was helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow.